Simplifying SURD. We're going to simplify this SURD problem. To solve number 1, we're going to think of two numbers. One will be a perfect square root, and the other will not be a perfect square root. And the two numbers are 9 multiplied by 2. 9 times 2 will give you 18. Now we can apply the law. The law says that the square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 2. And this, the square root of 9 is 3 multiplied by this. And our answer is 3 root 2. Next, the square root of 75. Let's simplify it. There are two numbers. If I multiply these two numbers, I will get 75. The two numbers are 25 multiplied by 3. I will apply the law that states that the square root of 25 multiplied by the square root of 3. If you break this down, the square root of 25 is 5 multiplied by root 3. And our answer becomes 5 root 3. Next, to solve number 3, there are two numbers. When we multiply the two numbers, we are going to get 80. The two numbers are 16 multiplied by 5. We are going to apply the law, which is this law, that states that the square root of 16 multiplied by the square root of 5. The square root of 16 is 4 multiplied by the square root of 5. And our answer is 4 root 5. For the complete video course on this subject, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. The problem of always thinking of two numbers can be challenging. The best way to do this is whenever you're given the square root of 18 to simplify. An easy way to solve this is you're going to draw a line. Write 18. We're going to divide this. Let's start with 2. We're going to start with 2, 3, 4 until we simplify this. 2 will go into 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Next, 2 will go into 9. We're going to have a remainder. We're looking for whole numbers. 3 will go. 3 will go into 9 3 times. 3 will still go, and 3 will go into 3, 1. Next, you pay. I will pay this 3. This is free. Next, these 2 got no pay. Because of that, I will put it in a root form. This and this are the same. Next, we can try 75. The first thing is you draw a line. You write 75. Next, we can start with 2. But if 2 goes into this, we're going to have a remainder. Let's go with 3. 3 into 7 will give you 2, remainder 1. Put the 1 here is going to be 15. 3 into 15 is 5. Next, 3 cannot go. 4 cannot go, but 5 will go. 5 into 25 is 5. 5 can still go. 5 into 5 is 1. You see, whenever we have 1, we stop. Next, I will pair this. 5 is free. I will bring out 5. 3 got no pair. Whenever you don't have a pair, you go into the root. And this is our answer, which is also this. Use this method to always break your answers down. Let's try this with 80. I will write 80 here. That's root 80. I will start with 2. 2 will go into this, 40. 2 will still go, 20. 2 will still go, 10. And 2 will still go, 5. 2 cannot go into 5. 3 cannot go into 5. 4 cannot go into 5 without remainder. 5 can go, and we have 1. Whenever we have 1, we stop. Next, we pair. These pair are free. These pair are free. So this 2 is free times this 2 is also free. But 5 got no pair. And whenever you don't have a pair, we put you in the root. And our answer is 2 times 2 is 4, multiply by root 5. You see, this is equal to this. Instead of always thinking of 2 numbers, you will multiply to give you an answer. You can use this method and achieve the same purpose. Both are the same. Let us simplify each of these surds. For this, I will draw a line, 81. We can start with 2, but 2 cannot go into 81 without remainder. Let's try 3. 3 into 8 will give you 2, remainder 2. So we are going to write 2. That remainder, we are going to put it to have 21. 3 into 21 is 7. Next, 3 can still go here. 3 into 27 is 9. Next, 3 can still go. 3 into 3 is 3. Next, 3 can still go. And 3 into 3 is 1. Next, we are going to pair this. This is free. We are going to pair this. This is free. You can see that these 2 free numbers will multiply. And we are going to have 9. The square root of 81 is 9. For 88, we are going to draw a line. And this is 88. We are going to start with 2. And we are going to get 44. Next, we are going to put 2 here. And we have 22. Next, 2 can still go, 11. Now, 2 cannot go. 3 can't go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The only thing that can go into 11 is 11 to give us 1. Next, this will pair, and this is free. So we are going to have 2. These 2 can't pair. And we are going to put the 2 of them inside the root. And our answer is, and this becomes our answer. For this, I will draw a line. And this is 3, 6, 3. I'm going to start with 3. 3 into 3 is 1. And 3 into 6 is 2. And 3 into 3 is 1. 3 cannot go into this. 4 cannot. 5, 6, 7, even 9 or 10. But 11 can go 11 times. And 11 can still go 1. Next, we pair. 11 is free. Here is 11. 3 got no pair. So we're going to have this as our answer. Next, we're going to have 405. Next, I will start with 3. 3 into 4 is 1. Remainder 1. 3 into 10 will give you 3, remainder 1. And 3 into 15 is 5. Next, 3 can still go. 3 into 13 will give you 4, remainder 1. 3 into 15 will give you 5. 3 can still go. 3 into 4 is 1, remainder 1. Into 15 is 5. Next, 3 can still go. 3 into 15 is 5. 3 cannot go further. 4 can't, but 5 can go into 5. 1. We stop when we get 1. Next, we pay. This got a pay is free. Next, this also got a pay. This is free. 5 got no pay. We put it in roots. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and our answer is this, which is 9 root 5. This is an easy way of simplifying SURDS. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. Also, subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.